First question, what is the difference between a div and span? When would you use each? A div is a block element. It starts on a new line. I use it to group big section. A span is an inline element. It stay in the same line. I use it for a small part of text. Second, what is the CSS box model? Explain content, padding, border, and margin. The CSS box model show how space work around an element. Content is the text or margin, text or image. Padding is the space inside the border. Border is the line around the element. Margin is the space outside the border. Question 3. What is the difference between CSS class and ID? When should you own one over the other? A class can be used of many elements and ID used for one element. I use class for repeated style. I use an ID for one unique element. The question 4. What is flex box? What's the difference between justify content and align item? Flexbox helps many items in row or column. Justify content moves item on the main axis. Align item moves item on the cross axis. And the last of final question, what is the difference between position, relative, absolute, and fixed in CSS? Relative keeps the element in its normal place, but I can move it. Absolute moves the element based on its parent. Fixed stay in the same place even I scroll. Okay, thank you.